Welcome to our tutorial on how to add subscribe button to your YouTube video. 1. Find the button that says Customize Channel and select it. It'll bring you to the new channel customization page and tools. 2. On the top menu, select Branding and go all the way to the bottom to the video watermark. It'll add that subscribe button to all your videos. 3. They recommend it as 150 x 150 pixels. All you need to do is select Upload, find the image on your computer, and select Done. 4. It gives you a quick preview, and now you can select the display time. You have the choice of the end of the video, the custom start time, or the entire video. 5. Then go up to the top right and select Publish. 6. Then when you go back to your YouTube channel and load a video, you can see that the new subscribe button is hovering over your video, and if people go to it, they can subscribe to your channel very easily. You have learned how to add subscribe button to your YouTube video. Thank you for watching our guide.